2019 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tow hitch, remote engine start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, cruise control, floor mats, universal garage door opener. Come see the car for yourself.